get a better website or update your website. Now, elephant in the room, I obviously do website design and I promised no sale, but I have to say this because it's very important. In the slow time and the slow season, you've all got a website. So please make sure that you update it. If you haven't updated your website, so if you haven't updated the design or the functionality of it within 18 months, I'm afraid it's already now out of date. Website design is such a fast moving thing. We're finding out all the time at Boostly. So if you haven't updated your website, if you haven't updated your pictures, if you haven't updated the design of it, then in the last 18 months, then now is the time to do so. And the winter is the better time, or the autumn is the better time than ever. I know there's a lot of people who are looking at getting new photo shoots done. Fantastic. If you've got slow season, you've got gaps in it, please. A professional photo shoot is such a high return of investment. And I know there is a cost. There is a high cost, and you can spend 500, 600, 700 pounds. But professional pictures, getting a professional to come in and not only have the camera, but have the editing software as well, it can really help in making your property stand out. And when I very first started, this is something that I did for the granary, and it worked really well. There's a video, if you just type into Boostly how to get a photo shoot for free, it annoys a lot of photographers when I talk about this. I've never had so much shitty comments sent to me than I do when I put that out, but do go check it out because there's some really cool ways. If you haven't got that budget of 500, 600, 700, whatever pounds, that's cool. Thousands, whatever. Photographers charge what photographers charge. If you want a budget way of doing it, then Google how to get a photography shoot for free Boostly, and there's a video come up. Go check it out. It does work. It works really well.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.